How to sell a used TLB. When it comes to selling a used TLB, the best place to do this is on Truck and Trailer. It's advised that sellers provide as much information as possible about the TLB being sold, and the information pertaining to the following points will go a long way in helping to sell your TLB on Truck and Trailer. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to the application, make, model, price, hours of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should include the following in their product listing descriptions. Explain the reason for the sale of the TLB. Provide information regarding its past working life. Detail its current working condition with reference to the loader bucket, the boom, stick and its bucket, all hydraulic systems, the engine and components, tires and tread, the unit's general overall condition. Providing this information to your potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying decision and an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your trucks, machinery and equipment on Truck and Trailer, South Africa's leading commercial marketplace for trucks, machinery and equipment.